My name's James Burrows, and what this is a Wild Wild West walking land ship. I seen something online. It was J.K. Rowling's.
J.K. Brickworks, yeah?
Yes, J.K. Brickworks. And he kind of inspired me to go out and build my own. So once I seen it, I had to do it, and I have a lot of fun with this thing, especially every convention I go to. I always walk it around the convention.
Totally.
So
it's a really interesting mechanism. Maybe could you pull it up and give us a little idea of what's going on?
It basically is fairly simple. It's a series of cams that they just basically go around and they pull the legs, and there's a pivot point so that the leg will actually lift up and set back down. And the way that, it got such a smooth walk to it that it uses the balance point on each end, 8 different balance points. So there's almost always contact with 6 of the 8.
Yeah. That is amazing.
Crash! That happens.
And it's Lego, and you can put it back together very easily.
Nothing wrong with it. Happens all the time. Everybody always gets upset when they have something that breaks. And there's really no need for it because, like you say, it's Lego. It goes back together.
Now, this is kind of steampunky. Is this like supposed to be some kind of a moving platform for defending something?
I believe it was the supply land ship for the movie The Wild Wild West is what the original concept of doing this was.
Okay.
There was two walking land ships. There was one that was like the big spider, and then there was one that was earlier in the movie. It was just kind of like a long, walking, stilt-looking thing.
Okay. Very cool. So, are we ready for a demo?
Oh, yeah.
Very nice. As we can see, it's on the floor now. Turning it on, and it is moving. And it controls like directionally, right? You can kind of tilt, yeah?
It's very easy to control.
That is too wild. It looks like one of those like Spanish ponies, you know, where they do the...
Yeah. Everybody calls it the coolest, creepiest thing they've ever seen.
It really is.
Oh, crap. That cool?
So I wish Hasbro made one of these because I would probably, you know, just like that's cool.
But it always gets looks.
Yeah. Very nice, James. Very nice.
Thank you. You want to drive it?
Let's see if I can drive.
You use both sticks at the same time.
Very nice. That is very, very responsive. Surprisingly responsive, actually. Mm-hmm. And then what about 360? How is it?
Just one stick forward,
That's
one stick
awesome.
back. Just like a bobcat.
That is too cool. Very nice, James. Thank you so much for sharing with us.
Yep, thank you.
Awesome.